So for today, I'm going to teach you how to convert your USDT to BNB in your Trust wallet. So first, you need to download your Trust wallet onto your mobile device and access it by linking your existing wallet, or if you don't have one, just simply click the create a wallet. So for you to able to convert your USDT to your BNB, just simply click the swap icon, and once you are on the swap section, make sure that you will choose the right network, which is, for example, I will use the network for Ethereum. Just simply click it and search for Ethereum. Then onto the to section, make sure it is on Ethereum based as well. And then after that, make sure that the icon you were converting is in USDT and to BNB. So for the first one, which is from the section, just simply click it and then search for USDT in the network of Ethereum. So here it is. And under, which is the to section, make it in BNB on Ethereum network. And once you set up all of the cryptocurrencies for swapping, make sure to tender an amount of USDT that you wanted to convert onto BNB. So for example, I wanted to convert for almost 100 USDT. So I will be able to get 0.1318 BNB from the Ethereum network. So if you have sufficient balance, this button, which is the blue button, you will not see it in not enough USDT. So take note that when swapping there is a provider fee or some gas fees, if you are aware with cryptocurrencies. So that's how you convert USDT to BNB in your Trust wallet. If you found it super helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome and keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.